出发去冒险。茂密的森林路弯弯，不是霓虹闪啊闪。小镇上空烟花多绚烂，我们绕着地球转圈圈。没有像年糕甜，肚皮撑得圆又圆。拍照片，跷跷板，圣诞村里去野餐。滑雪橇，荡秋千，想飞就热着那魔毯。擦把汗，不停留，冒险之路永远都不孤单。
How I love candy. Candy cloud. Ooh, oh. I'm sleepy. Huh? Hey! What was that? Huh? A monster! Go away! Get away from me! Huh? My food! Drop that! Those are mine! Hey, everything you see belongs to me! Huh? Oh, you're a scary-looking thing! Oh, put me down! Put me down! Help! Wait! Huh? Hey! Oh, you? You were the one who was tormenting me! Yeah! Come here, you! Hey! Don't move! Oh! Come here! Come here! Huh? Stop moving! You! Get back here! No? What's so funny? Gotcha! Don't hear you laughing now. Huh? I don't hear him at all. Did I smash him? Oh, man. Oh. Stop laughing, you little... Wait till I get my hands on you. Hey! Come here! You get back here, you little... Hey, now! Get off! Come here! Come here, you stupid little... Whoa! Why does my head feel so nauseous, huh? Get away from me, Bug. I'm gonna... Gotcha! Oh, wait. Huh? He got away from me? Why you? I'm gonna get you again, Bug! I gotta get him down from that tree. Huh. Ha ha! I'm gonna get you and then I'm gonna crush you. Take that! You little... Huh? I'm not done with you! You're not going anywhere! Get back here! Oh, no. No, you don't. Come back here. Yet. Where are you? No, you don't. I saw him come in, so he's gotta be somewhere around here. That's weird. Oh! Ha! There he is! You're gonna get it now!
What are you doing, Briar?
Stand still, Louie! Disgusting! Huh?
Oh no! That was an antique!
It was the cicada over there! I'll catch him and prove it to you! Huh? Oh no, you don't, Bug! Oh! Louie, get out of the way!
Are you crazy? Brian, why don't you just jump off? I hate that cicada! I'm gonna get that pesky bug! Why, you little...
Oh, no!
Brian, why don't you give it a go?
Yeah!
Sorry about that.
Come on.
It happened again, 'cause you got a big head. Get down here.
Louie, I'll handle it.
Briar, hold tight. I'll get you down from here.
Get off of me, bugger!
Yeah.
That's it! Oh boy, you got
Give that to me!
Huh?
Watch and learn! Steady, steady! Release! Yeah! We finally got that pest!
But take a look at all the damage that was caused by that little bug. I think you and I both know they're gonna be really ticked off. What are we gonna do?
Well, I guess we could just blame it on your brother.
Huh? Ah! Oh no, no!